Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me for a wedding. So let's get into it. So I've washed my face and it's looking pretty dry, so we're just going to sort that out. I'm going to put a toner on my face and I'm using the Clarins Lotion Tonic. And I'm going to go in again with the Clarins Hydra Essential. It's an intensive moisture serum, which I've been using whilst I've been on holiday because I don't want my face to dry out. At the same time, I am using a sort of a mattifying lotion as well on my face. So I want to balance it out with a hydration serum. So I've been using this and I just pat it on my face like this. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. I don't even know, but I pat it on and let it dry. And then I go with my Clarins Hydra Matte Lotion for combination skin. And I love this. I normally use this all the time, but I find that in the summertime I prefer to use this one because it is kind of mattifying. It's a nice light lotion, but at the same time it is mattifying. And I find that it really helps with my skin because I really don't want to be looking oily. I know this all looks very shiny right now, but it's fine. I'll balance that out with my primer, which is actually up next. Next is my primer, and I normally use the Benefit Professional, but I also have the YSL primer as well. But for this occasion, I'm just going to use this one because I find that this one is a lot more mattifying, a lot more dry looking, and it does have a sort of a white kind of film on it. But because, as you can see, my face is quite shiny and hydrated after all those products I've just put on, I like to use this to sort of balance it out a bit. Then I'm just quickly going to the concealer, which I really like. My friend actually gave me this. It's from Sleek, and there's so many different variations of this concealer, but I just go in for one, not because I need it to cover up any bags or anything, but just to give me a bit of a highlight, I suppose. Then I just set that all off with some Sacha Buttercup setting powder down my nose, and I just go a bit crazy on my forehead because you just never know, you know. I'm just there. Whilst I'm leaving that to set, I then go in with my Bare Minerals 5-in-1 eyelid primer. Then I'm using my Juvia's palette, and I haven't really decided what look I'm going for. My dress is quite a sort of neon peachy kind of dress. You'll see it in a moment. I'm just going to give my whole eye a base with this color right here, which is obviously nearly finished. I don't even know the name of it because it's covered up right now. And I'm just going to do the whole of my eyes, just all the way up, because it's quite a shade that kind of matches my skin tone almost. I'm just going to line the whole thing. Then we're going to go with the base for my actual eyelid right there, which is the MAC Antique, which again, nearly finished. And then I'm going to add some gold to my eyelid. It's time to brush all the excess powder away. Using some bronzer, some Black Up bronzer in color 02. Add some blush in the apples of my cheeks, and just a bit on my nose, just like that. And I finish it all off with some setting spray. Next is onto my hair, and I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm probably going to just have it down